In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Incognito Mode in Google Chrome. Incognito Mode is a special browsing window that doesn't save your history, cookies, or form data once you close it. It's useful when you're using a shared computer, researching something private, or just don't want Chrome to remember what you're doing in that session. Keep in mind, it doesn't make you invisible online. Websites, your internet provider, or your workplace may still be able to see your activity. It simply keeps that activity from being stored in your local browser history. Let's start with the most common way to open Incognito Mode, using the Chrome menu. First, make sure Google Chrome is open on your computer. Look toward the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see a small icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. This is your main Chrome menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. A list of options will appear, including things like New Tab and New Window. Look for the option that says New Incognito Window. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you click it, a new Chrome window will open. You'll notice it looks different from your regular window. The background is usually darker, and you'll see a message explaining what Incognito Mode does and doesn't do. At the top, you should see the incognito icon, which looks like a little figure with glasses and a hat. That's how you know you're in a private browsing session. From here, you can type any web address or search term into the address bar, just like you normally would. While you're in this window, Chrome won't save the pages you visit to your history, and it won't keep cookies once you close all incognito windows. If you want to open multiple tabs while staying in incognito, just use the plus icon at the top of the window, the same way you would in a regular session. When you're done browsing privately, it's important to fully close all incognito windows. Click the X in the corner of each incognito window to exit. Once every incognito window is closed, that private session is finished, and Chrome will discard the data from that session. That's all you need to open and use Incognito Mode in Google Chrome. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a quick and easy part of your normal browsing routine.